The best Fujifilm cameras should be one of your top priorities if you've made the switch to mirrorless cameras. Both the medium format DFX line and Fujifilm's X series cameras provide excellent sensors, stylish retro styling, and stunning image quality. Even a camera exists for those who dislike Fujifilm's well-known conventional exposure adjustments. But which Fujifilm camera is the best for you? With its X series cameras, Fujifilm is experiencing a true upswing, but it might be challenging to determine which model is best for you. All of the current X series and GFX models have undergone testing by us. Links to our products mentioned in the video are available in the description below. We've listed the top 5 best Fujifilm cameras 2023 and their important features, along with the factors you should evaluate to assist you choose the ideal one for you. Number 5. Fujifilm X-E4 Mirrorless Digital Camera. In January 2021, the Fujifilm X-E4 made its debut as a mirrorless virtual camera. By March of that same year, the camera was being sold far and wide. This camera belongs to Fujifilm's X-series family and appeals to those who require portability in their photography without sacrificing image quality. It has a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS sensor. To decrease moire and false colors without using an optical low-pass filter, this sensor has a special color filter array, which produces exceptional image quality. The camera is powered by the X Processor 4 image processing engine, which allows for fast and accurate performance, including quick autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting. The X-E4 has a compact and retro-inspired design with a magnesium alloy body, giving it a premium feel. It features a 3-inch tilting LCD touchscreen that can be flipped up for selfies or vlogging. It has a hybrid autofocus system with phase detection and contrast detection points, covering a wide area of the frame. The camera offers fast and precise autofocus performance, even in low-light conditions. The X-E4 can shoot up to 20 frames per second apps with its electronic shutter and 8 apps with the mechanical shutter. This makes it suitable for capturing fast-action subjects. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, with the option for recording an F-Log for enhanced post-processing capabilities. Fujifilm is known for its film simulations, and the X-E4 includes popular options like Classic Chrome, Velvia, and Acros, allowing photographers to achieve different looks and moods straight out of the camera. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy image transfer and remote camera control using the Fujifilm Camera Remote app. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T30 Mirrorless Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X-T30 incorporates advanced image sensor technology with its 26.1 MP BSI APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X Processor 4 quad-core CPU. This combination ensures accurate autofocus, AF, and face detection, allowing for precise tracking of moving subjects in both high-resolution still photography and 4K video recording. The X Processor 4 quad-core CPU enables fast and accurate face detection for subjects in motion. Furthermore, the eye detection AF works in AFC mode, providing accurate focus tracking for moving portrait subjects. The phase detection AF's low light limit has been expanded to operate in a wide range of lighting conditions, from -3 EV to +0.5 EV. The camera's superior video capabilities include the ability to record 4K video at 30 frames per second or capture 120 frames per second at 1080p, enabling the creation of super slow-motion effects. Filmmakers seeking high color fidelity can take advantage of 10-bit 4:2:2 color recording through the camera's HDMI port. Designed with user convenience in mind, the X-T30 features an intuitive layout and comfortable controls. It boasts a 3.0-inch touch LCD with two-way tilting and an improved touchscreen, making it easier to capture images in challenging situations. Additionally, the camera offers an advanced SR Auto mode, activated with a lever, which automatically selects the optimal shooting settings from 58 presets based on the scene. Overall, the Fujifilm X-T30 combines advanced image sensor technology, accurate autofocus and face detection, superior video capabilities, intuitive design, and next-gen wireless connectivity to provide photographers and videographers with a powerful and versatile camera system. Number 3. Fujifilm x100v digital camera. Great photography every day, everywhere. X100v features a newly designed, incorporated 23mm f2 lens, ensuring you preserve those special moments at maximum resolution with minimal distortion. It also offers an improved close-focusing performance compared to previous X100 models. And, for the first time in the X100 line, you can keep making images even in the toughest conditions when you attach the optional adapter ring with the weather sealing protection lens sold separately. This outstanding lens retains the same slimline design as other X100 models, so it retains compatibility with existing WCL and TCL lens attachments. Designed for quality and speed, from fleeting holiday moments and family celebrations to hard-hitting visual stories and ever-changing city streets, X100v has been designed to always deliver exceptional image and video quality. Creating a tool this capable takes powerful technology. That's why Fujifilm's state-of-the-art X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 combination sits at this camera's core. Pairing this exceptional 26.1 MP backside illuminated sensor and powerful quad-core CPU results in incredible quality, wide dynamic range, lightning-fast processing, and precision AF performance, right down to -5 EV. Movies on the move. The X100v allows you to explore a whole new world of image making with the ability to create stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. Additionally, super slow motion footage can be recorded using the camera's full HD/120p setting, so you can relive details that would otherwise be missed by the naked eye. This professional-level quality is backed up by Fujifilm's outstanding color reproduction technology and unique selection of in-camera film simulation modes, while those who need more fidelity can record 10-bit 4:2:2 color via the HDMI port. Number 2. Fujifilm X Pro 3 Mirrorless Digital Camera. Advanced Hybrid Multi-Viewfinder Optical Viewfinder (OFF) uses a 0.5x magnification and parallax-correcting frame lines to provide an uninterrupted and true-to-life view of what's in front of you. Additionally, the 369mm OLED Electronic Viewfinder (EVF) offers a fast and high-quality representation of exactly how your image will look. X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 combination. This exceptional 26.1 MP sensor uses a back-illuminated design to maximize quality and dynamic range, while its unique color filter array controls moire and false color without the need for an optical low-pass filter. X Pro 3's timeless body design features a top and base plate constructed from titanium, which, despite being little more than half the density of stainless steel, is 7 times more durable. In addition to classic black, the weather-sealed X Pro 3 is also available in silver and charcoal colors, which utilize cold plasma technology for a scratch-resistant finish. Every aspect of X Pro 3 has been designed for photographers who like to live in the moment, but none more so than its hidden 162mm tilting LCD touchscreen. When closed, all that can be viewed is a mini display showing essential settings, removing the distraction of a full screen while shooting with your mind and your eye always on the scene in front of you, rather than the scene you've just shot. You can find a better connection not just with your subject, but also with your art. Number 1. Fujifilm X-T4 Mirrorless Camera. Putting stability in your hands. A huge part of creating great photos or videos is making sure you are in the right place at the right time. And that often means making handheld images to get to the heart of the action. X-T4's state-of-the-art 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBS) provides up to 6.5 stops of image stabilization to make sure that even in the midst of all the excitement, your images remain steady and sharp. Combine this with the new 4-axis digital image stabilizer, and you have lots of room to maneuver. Performance you can rely on. For any serious image maker, having a tool that can be relied upon to perform flawlessly whenever it is required is extremely important. For this reason, X-T4 features a newly developed mechanical shutter that is the fastest and most robust in the history of the X series. Not only can it make images at 15 frames per second, but it is also rated for 300,000 actuations too. When you combine this with its larger capacity battery that is capable of up to 600 frames per charge too, X-T4 has the power and the durability to give you the peace of mind that you'll never miss the perfect opportunity. Find the best angle for your story. When chasing the perfect image, versatility is key, so the last thing you want is to be hampered by awkward angles. The 1.62 million pixel vari-angle touchscreen LCD featured on X-T4 can be adjusted to make it visible from a wide range of positions. This not only gives you a high-quality monitor to frame with, but also provides quick and simple controls when you need them most. On the flip side, there are times when you need to minimize the light and distractions that a screen can create. That's why X-T4's LCD has been designed to easily fold away so it is completely hidden from view, leaving the updated 3.69 million pixel /100 EPS electronic viewfinder to help you focus on the moment at hand. For more detail, follow the links given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.